Good morning, guys. Welcome in.
Speed limit reduced to
We are just getting her going. We're just going through cactus casing right now. Yep, and it is snowing. Yes, indeed it is. Oh well, what can I say? That's how it goes. I just really hope that the road isn't going to be too terrible today. I really need it to be okay because I don't have a heavy load, so yeah, that could be bad, especially going uphill with a light load. But oh well, we'll hope for the best, and hopefully it won't be snowing for too long. I already looked it up on the map thing there to see how far it was actually snowing, and it actually doesn't look like it's snowing for too long. Maybe an hour, 2 hours down the road and it's supposed to be stopped snowing, but I guess we'll find out as we go along today here. Yeah, like I said, I just really hope it ain't gonna be too slippery out here, you know, or have accidents out here, you know. I really hope I can stay safe out here, that's for sure. Anyhow, it is, other than that, it's a pretty good morning. I had a pretty good night's sleep, and now it's time to get on down the road and make it happen, right? Make the last little bit stretch happen.
Speed warning.
Good thing I went as far as I did last night, eh? Because had I not, I would be driving in more of this stuff this morning. I guarantee you that. But hey, that's winter for us, right? We gotta do it. Gotta deal with it. That's for sure. Anyhow, I hope you guys are having a good Sunday morning. I guess there's still part of that Thanksgiving long weekend for the United States, so I hope you guys all had a safe one and didn't get too drunk out there and had a good time with your families. Obviously our Thanksgiving was a while back already, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. Now the next one is going to be Christmas, pretty much. Yep. Anyhow, we'll continue on cruising along here and see what kind of day we can have today, right? Appreciate you guys tuning in. Alright guys, we have just gotten past Hearst, Ontario, and it's finally starting to slow down with the snow, so the road is somewhat starting to get a little bit better. Well, that's a good sign. Really happy about that. Managed to piss one guy off. I was passing him there earlier and he didn't like it. Oh well, he was going slower than I wanted to go, and you know, I mean, there is a little bit snow on the road, right? And I mean, there was a little bit more snow than there is here, but I felt like I could go a little bit faster than him, and so I passed him, and he didn't like it. He was pissed. He said he had a dash camera and blah blah blah, and it was not safe for me to pass, and he was gonna send that video footage into my company, and oh yeah, he's pissed. Oh well, what can I do? If he doesn't like it, then you shouldn't be out here on the road, in my opinion, you know. If it's not safe for you, you should pull off the road. That's how I see it. And if I feel like I'm comfortable going a little faster than you and it's safe for me to pass, at least in my opinion it was safe to pass. Not in his opinion, but in my opinion it was. And if he doesn't like it, well, too bad. That's just how life goes. I passed him safely. I didn't cut him off or anything like that, so apparently he didn't like it. So I pulled into the Husky there in Hearst, and was gonna go out and get my lights cleaned and everything, and then he stopped in there too, and he was threatening to kick my ass and told me to get out of the truck so he could kick my ass. I said, no, that ain't gonna happen. I ain't gonna volunteer to be part of that. you hit me, you know, you touch me, I'll defend myself, but I ain't gonna throw the first punch, that's for sure. But anyways, he was pissed and whatever, so we'll see what happens. But whatever happens, I got it on dash cam too. I pulled the video card out and put it in my computer, so I have a file of it too, and whatever happens, happens. We're gonna continue on. Nobody got hurt. We done it safely. So whatever. Anyhow, we'll move on and see what else we'll be able to show you guys. I already went ahead and cleaned my tail lights, but I just figured I would show you guys. Look at all this snow built up around my truck. That's from driving in that snow earlier, so yeah, it was quite nasty. Then it's now quite windy, so oh well, we gotta get going here. So just stopped here. There's a Robin Donuts here, had me a bit of a coffee, and so now it's time to go. Here we go, guys. We just left Long Lake, Ontario here a few minutes ago. Made us a little bit of a pit stop in there to clean all our lights and all that stuff, check everything, and here we are back at it again. That's right. And it looks like the sun is trying to peek through there, as that's good news. Roads look a hell of a lot better than what they did earlier, that's for sure. But anyways, we're just cruising right along here, right? Everything seems to be good as of right now, anyways. Yep. But hey, we got about 3 hours to go till we will be in Thunder Bay. I'm not sure if I'll actually go into Thunder Bay or not, but kind of thinking about just stopping in Pass Lake there. It's about, give or take, 45 minutes before Thunder Bay, because it will be a little bit later, you know, by time, well, not super late, but what I'm meaning to say is probably about 5:30 by the time I roll into Thunder Bay, probably, if I were to go up there, or maybe even 6 o'clock. So I think what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go to Pass Lake and go to the Flying J up there. That way I can go in there, take a shower if I want, and then at least I'm pretty much guaranteed to get a parking spot. So that's probably what I'll do. Hey, look at that, now that sun is shining again. That's a good sign. I mean, you can I don't know if the camera actually picks it up, but we got really light flurries going on anyways. Yep, so let's continue on cruising along and let's hammer down to Thunder Bay. I am getting closer and closer to the Flying J, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed I am. I'm only about 8 miles away, or 9 miles away from getting to the Flying Hook, so I have decided, yeah, I'm just gonna go up to the Flying Hook, call her a day, pull her in there, go in and take me a shower, give me a good night's sleep. I need to get up early in the morning so I can, well, not super early, but you know, fairly early, so I can get up and go do my delivery. Yeah, that's right. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Anyhow, it's been an okay day. It was kind of crappy at the beginning in the morning, but hey, now we got her back under control and got nice dry roads again. That's always awesome, awesome, awesome. I really like that. And then we'll see what kind of reload we will get tomorrow. I still haven't gotten a reload, although I didn't make myself available yet, but I figured, I'll wait till tomorrow, make my deliveries first, and we'll find out what they want me to do tomorrow. I might, when I stop in here, I might send them an availability message there, and just so that way it's there, and I want to tell them how many hours I have left, so that way they have a good idea on what I got left, and then they can make a decision on where they want me to send me, right? Where they want me to go. We'll find out tomorrow where we go. Alrighty guys, we have made it to the end of the day. Yes, indeed we have. It took me a nice shower here at the Flying Hook. Now it's time to call it a day. Go ahead and get out of here, finish off this show, right? That's the plan anyways. Yes, indeed it is. So, we'll go ahead and deliver our load tomorrow morning. Or we got actually 2 drops. So, one is at a storage place and the other one is actually at the actual place. Anyhow, I've always had issues with the storage place. You know, they don't want to break the seal. And this particular customer that we have with this load requires the receiver to break the seal and also to reseal it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I record it when I go there. So that way, you know, I ain't getting me into a trouble here, you know. That's for sure. But anyways, we're done today. I just decided, you know what, instead of going into Thunder Bay to the Husky, I decided to just stay at the Flying Hook so that way I could take a shower. And by the way, for those Canadian drivers out there, if you ever go to the Flying J just north of Thunder Bay there, it's most of the guys call it Pass Lake area. I think it's called something else, but in all reality it's in the Pass Lake area. I don't know what's going on with that particular Flying J, but they do charge us now $2 for the towels, which in my opinion is wrong. They said that they're having issues with Pilot not paying them the points, and so I don't know what's up with that, but they're claiming that they're not getting the money from Pilot, so they're charging the drivers $2 for the towel now. So I'm like, really? You're still charging me the points, $12 for the points there, and yet you're still charging me an additional $2 for the towels? No, I don't think so. I think I'm gonna go make a complaint to Pilot about that, because that's unfair. Yep, that it is. Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.